Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a very simple and refreshing broccoli salad inspired by a Korean side dish. What are your favorite side dishes? Let me show you the very simple ingredients. I have one broccoli crown. Just need to cut the florets off. And you can save the stem for stir fry. I'm definitely going to save it. And just cut into bite size like that. And I'm going to wash it. Okay, next we're going to make the dressing. So for the dressing we need minced garlic, salt, and chili flakes. Depends on how spicy you like. We just want a little bit hint of spiciness. A little bit sugar to balance. And sesame oil. This is a apple cider vinegar. Just mix together. Something like that. And just taste a little bit. Good. Just a little bit more vinegar. That is our dressing. And of course we can garnish with toasted sesame in the end, sesame seeds. And next I'm going to blanch the broccoli. Now the water is boiling, we're going to blanch broccoli for about a minute. Depends on how crunchy you like it. I like broccoli very crunchy. After over a minute, let's take out the broccoli into ice water to cool off and also stop cooking. And then we are going to drain it. Now we're ready to dress our broccoli. Just make sure you get rid of excess water. And pour our dressing. And toss together. Ah, smells good. And just taste one piece. Great. And you can just finish with some toasted sesame seeds. So ideally, you should leave in the fridge for 15-20 minutes. It's even better. Chill it. And we cannot wait. So it's supposed to be side dish. I'm going to just plate some of them, half of them. Okay, and if you want more sesame seeds on top. And that's a broccoli salad. Shall we try?
Let's try it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Love the crunchiness. Garlicky.
That's awesome.
Good balance.
I
So
like the
simple,
vinegar.
right?
Yeah, I like the vinegar.
You like the vinegar? Apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can also use rice vinegar. Please try to make it. Please raise your hand. You cannot find the ingredients. I think everybody can find the ingredients, right? If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.